इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एक्सरसाइज 4.3 का सॉल्व करेंगे जो कि क्लास 10 एनसीईआरटी में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नाम के चैप्टर में अवेलेबल है। इस क्वेश्चन में हमें वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है, रूट्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं थ्रू फॉर्मूला। तो द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन क्वेश्चन 1 above by applying the quadratic equation formula। तो अबाउ हमारे पास जो हमने सॉल्व किए हैं क्वेश्चंस, उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को जो कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का पार्ट है उसको सॉल्व करना है। तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट 1 हम कवर करेंगे। रादर वी से द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट 1 को we'll cover। The question number 1 is given by this one, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 that is equal to 0। तो हमें इसमें स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू से जब हम इसे कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमारे पास स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से दैट इक्वेशन इज ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी दैट इज इक्वल टू 0। तो इससे जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो ए की वैल्यू क्या आएगी यहाँ पर 2 और बी की वैल्यू क्या आने वाली है 7 और सी की वैल्यू आने वाली है 3। तो इस तरह से हम इसे कंपेयर करेंगे। So what is the value of A here? 2. What is the value of B here? -7. What is the value of C here? So that's how we can get the value of A, B, C. Now we have to find out the value of D. What is D? D is the formula that is B square minus 4AC, जो कि ये बताता है कि हम इसके रूट्स निकाल भी सकते हैं या नहीं निकाल सकते। तो जब हम इसमें वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे सो वील हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ ABC, that is B is minus 7 raised to the power 2 minus 4, value of A is 2, value of C is, so that's how we are having, so that is equal to, that is 49 minus, so this will be 24 and this will be 25। अगर ये वैल्यू D की वैल्यू ग्रेटर है 0 से तो गिवन इक्वेशन के रूट्स पॉसिबल हैं। तो अगर रूट्स पॉसिबल हैं तो हम यहाँ फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a। Now here we are having value of this internal term already, so we can modify this formula that x is equal to minus b plus minus, this is nothing but d, so we can take under root d, that is divided by 2a, so that's how we can write। So we can find out the value of x minus then b value है is -7 plus minus and d value is that is 25, so we are having 25 here and divide the complete term by 2 into a is 2, fine, so that's how we can write it। Now in the same way we can have the value of x that is equal to, this will be minus minus plus, this will be 7 plus minus under root of 25 is 5 divided by 4, 2 2s are 4। So we are come up with the two terms. One is x is equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4. Another term is 7 minus 5 divided by 4. We can have it like 12 by 4 and 2 by 4. So the roots are, now we can take 3 by 2 and not 3 by 2, it will be 3 only and 1 by 2. So that's how we can find out the roots of the given equation with the help of formula। Now the second part of the question is that is 2x, this one I'm taking 2x square plus x minus 4 that is equal to 0। If it is so, we have to compare it with the standard equation. The standard equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c that is equal to 0। Now the value of a will be 2 value of B will be 1, value of C will be minus 4. So we have to find out the value of D. So that is B square minus 4AC. So D is equal to B. What is the B value? That is 1. That is 1 square. 4 into value of A is 2. Value of C is minus 4. Minus 4. So that's how we can write it. That is equal to 1 minus, that is equal to 1 minus, plus sign is there. So this will be 4 fours are 16, 16 twos are 32. We can write 32, that is equal to 33. So value of D is 33. So we can write the formula to find out the roots. यहाँ पे formula लिखेंगे x is equal to minus b plus minus, यहाँ हमने modify किया था formula, अंदर d लिखा था, तो we can write d directly 2 by a, जिससे हमारा computation time कम लगता है. So x is equal to minus b is 1, so we can write 1 here, plus minus value of d is 33 and divided by 2 into 2, value of a is 2. We can have the value of x, that is minus 1 plus minus within the root 33 divided by 4. So we are having two values of x here. One is minus 1 plus within the root 33, divide the complete term by 4. Another term is minus 1 minus of under root 33, divide the complete term by 4. That's how we can write it. Fine. So इस तरह से हम न्यूमेरिकल को डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पर कवर करेंगे. So third part is this one. The third part is, we can again write the given equation, which is given by, let us have 4x square plus 4 within the root 3x plus 3, that is equal to 0. That is given into the equation. Standard equation हम यहाँ लिखेंगे, that is ax square and plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. Now we compare these two terms and find out the value of a by comparing, that is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 under root 3 and c is equal to 3. That's how we can find out the values of a, b, c. Now we have to find out the value of d, which is comes out to by the formula. ये हमारा formula होता है d का, and हम इसमें values put करेंगे, so we can put the values. The value of b is 4 under root 3, the square of that, minus 4, value of a is 4 and value of c is 3. Fine. So we can further analyze it. The 4 here, that will be 16 into 3. So that will be 48 minus, so this will be 48. So that is equal to 0. Means value of d, this is the value of d, which is 0 here. So after getting the value of d, so we can calculate the value of x. So value of x is given by the formula, which is minus b plus under root plus minus under root d divided by 2 into a. So we are having the value of b, which is minus 4 under root 3, right? And plus minus value of d, which is 0. Divide the complete term by 2 into a. The value of a is 4. We can have here minus 4 under root 3. Divide the complete term by 8. So we can have it minus 2, not minus 2. We can have under root 3 divided by 2. So we are having two roots here, which are the same roots. Clear? So that is the answer for this question. That's how you can calculate it or find it. So another part of the question is given by we have to clear certain section. तो हम यहाँ पर इसको कवर करते हैं. तो we'll have this section here for our attemptation. So this is fourth part of the question. This is given by, I'm writing the fourth part, that is equal to 2x square plus x plus 4, that is equal to 0. For that, we can find out the value of a, which is 2, right? By comparing with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. तो वैल्यू ऑफ b इज 1 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ c इज 4. जो हमारे पास कोफिशिएंट्स होते हैं वेरिएबल्स के, वो हमारे पास वैल्यूज होती हैं a और b और c की, राइट? सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ d. द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट, फॉर्मूला है इसका b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. तो b की वैल्यू क्या हुई 1, 4 डॉट, a की वैल्यू क्या हुई 2, c की वैल्यू क्या हुई 4. So that will be 1 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So we are having 32 here and this will be 31. अब 31 क्या है? That is less than 0. और अगर ये less than 0 है, so we can say that the given equation is not having real roots. So the equation is not having real roots. That's how we can say that is a solution for the. So we'll meet with the solution of third question in the next video.